Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial video, we will learn what is an Lvalue, what is an Rvalue, and examples of Lvalue and Rvalue. Lvalue and Rvalue. An object is a named region of storage. An Lvalue is an expression referring to an object. The name Lvalue comes from the assignment expression E1 is equal to E2, in which the left operand E1 must be an Lvalue expression. An expression is either an Lvalue or an Rvalue. An Lvalue expression must be used whenever the object is receiving a value, that is, it is being modified. An example of an Lvalue expression is an identifier. Rvalue. An Rvalue expression can be used to supply a value for further use, that is, to examine or copy its value. An example of an Rvalue expression is literals. Example 1. A is equal to 27. In this statement, variable A is an Lvalue expression and 27 is an Rvalue. In this expression, object A is a named region of storage. That is, variable A has a specific memory address. An expression is an Lvalue whenever the object is receiving a value, that is, it is being modified. Here 27 is assigned to variable A, so variable A is an Lvalue and the literal 27 is an Rvalue. Example 2. A is greater than 18. In this relational test expression, the variable A is an Rvalue because the value of the identifier named A is to examine or copy its value. In this expression, the variable A is not an Lvalue because whenever the object is receiving a value, that is, it is being modified, then the object is an Lvalue. When the expression A is greater than 18 is executed, the computer will copy the stored value to variable A and then compare it with 18. So here A is not being modified. So in this expression A is not an Lvalue. Even if an expression is an Lvalue, if it is used as part of a larger expression in which the operators create only Rvalue expressions, then the whole expression is an Rvalue. For example, A is equal to 27, B is equal to A plus 4. In the first statement, the variable A is an Lvalue, but in the second statement, the whole expression A plus 4 is an Rvalue. Here the variable B is an Lvalue. Then why worry so much about Lvalues and Rvalues? The reason is that some operators need an Lvalue as their operand. If we use one of these operators and use an Rvalue in place of the Lvalue, we will get a compile error. For example, A plus 4 is equal to 9. In this expression, A plus 4 is an Rvalue and cannot be the left operand in an assignment statement. It is a temporary value that does not have an address, no place to store 9. So A plus 4 is equal to 9 is an invalid expression. It will create syntax errors because an Rvalue is used when an Lvalue is needed. In an assignment expression E1 is equal to E2, the left operand E1 must be an Lvalue expression. One final thought. A variable name can be either an Lvalue or an Rvalue depending on how it is used in an expression. For example, in the expression A is equal to B, A is an Lvalue because it is on the left of the assignment operator, and B is an Rvalue because it is on the right of the assignment operator. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was Python variables. Next video is use of comments. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.